real quick. We got this basket coming up. Boy, this joker is loud. Right, you hear it? Man. Boy, got a flat tire on that one. Okay, so some say breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Some say they've lost a ton of weight by skipping breakfast and fasting in the morning. Whichever way works for you, go with it. Just stay consistent and it'll all work out. But let me show you some of the meals that I have on repeat, some of the meals that I have that'll keep me full in the morning without making me feel, too full, where you're like, oh my gosh, I'm so full. I just want to lay on the couch and go back to bed or something like that. You don't want to get that full, especially in the morning. If you really want to, you can try these out in the evening time as well. Eat these in the evening if you want. Who says you can't have breakfast for dinner? I know the kids love it whenever you say you're going to have breakfast for dinner. They're like, what? We're going to have that? Just mix it up a little bit, and adults can love it too. So let me show you some of these meals. I try to keep the protein high. So let me know what some of the meals that you have in the morning that get your day going. Either it's before the gym or it's just, before work, or just so that you're not waking up on an empty stomach. I mean, if you fast in the morning, then there's nothing wrong with that. Maybe use these to break your fast with. So let me know what you think. First up, one meal I've been having on repeat. That is so good. Okay, it's so easy to make. Now, what I'm gonna use here is just something simple. I'm gonna use eggs. Use whatever your diet calls for, whatever your macros are. What I like to use is like 2 eggs, maybe 3 eggs, 2 egg whites, or if you need to, use 1 egg, a couple egg whites, however much fat you're trying to get. If you're trying to go on a low-fat diet, you'll probably use more egg whites than eggs, but don't be afraid of that egg yolk, man. It's got a lot of vitamins in there. It's good for you, so don't be afraid of it, but just make sure whatever your diet calls for, go ahead and use that. Use something like MyFitnessPal that'll help you get to know how much protein you're getting, how much fat you're getting. And I highly recommend you download that free app. I use it all the time, daily, for all kinds of meals, just so I know that I'm staying on track. And you have to know where you're at, because if you ain't tracking, you're slacking, all right? So what I'm gonna use is eggs. However many eggs you need to use, just go ahead and cook up the eggs. If you want to, if you're keto, you can add a little more butter, cook it in some butter. If not, use a little spray butter or something on there as you're cooking up your eggs. Now, 2 options that you can use for some more protein that makes it taste amazing. What I have found, especially if I'm in a hurry, is these right here. These Jimmy Dean turkey crumbles. Man, talk about so easy to cook. I mean, half a cup coming in at 9 grams of protein. And this is just, all it is just turkey sausage crumbles, okay? So if you're somebody who's like, I don't have much time to cook in the morning, man, cooking eggs is so quick. Throw your little turkey sausage in there, because man, it tastes amazing, all right? It'll really help it. It adds more protein to your breakfast. And you can either eat it like this, just with this and the eggs, or what I've been doing is putting them in these. This is the big, large wrap. Okay, I've been making a big, like, breakfast wrap, all right? All you do is just however many eggs you want. The good thing about the big ones is that you can put a lot in there, right? Whenever I try to use some of the smaller tortillas, you either got to use 2 or it just falls out everywhere, so you got to finish everything with a fork or a spoon or something like that. So if you get the big ones, all right, now these are the carb counter ones. These are only 4 net carbs, so if you're keto, they're perfect, all right? They're nice and soft. You don't have to heat them up. What I always suggest you do, if you're cooking eggs, cooking your sausage, then you just lay the tortilla on top of the pan while you're cooking it. That'll heat it up, plus it'll give it a little bit of flavor. So try that out. If you're trying to try not to heat these up in a microwave or anything, because they tend to get a little hard. All right, so what you're gonna do is just put the eggs, the sausage in there. And one of the secrets that I have found, I'm telling you, man, you gotta try it. Let me know if you tried this. You hit it with that hot honey. If you don't know about the hot honey, go find out about the hot honey. I'm here at Kroger. Kroger has hot honey. Walmart has hot honey. HEB has hot honey. You can find hot honey anywhere. Just hit it with a little bit of this. That sweet with the spicy on top of the eggs with that breakfast sausage. Man, it hits different. I promise you, you got to try this. Now, if you don't want to go with the hot honey, if you don't like it, go ahead, just hit it with some regular honey. Okay, I love using honey. Make sure you measure it out. Don't dump this whole thing on there, because it is easy to do, because man, honey is so good. If you know, you know. All right, so I like to use honey in the place of syrup, or just to take something and give it a little bit of sweetness. Put it on your rice cakes if you're not keto. Put it on your cereal, put it on your yogurt, put it on anything you can, all right? I'll show you in a minute something else I use honey on, but definitely go with the honey. I like hot honey because I like a little spice in it, all right? So check this out. Let me know if you use hot honey, man, because I've shown you in other videos. Check out my other videos. I use hot honey all the time. You put it on chicken, just hits different. I'm telling you, you can put it on beef, you can put it on whatever you want, man. Hot honey is so good. One thing I have not tried, I know people add honey to their coffee. I've not tried adding hot honey to coffee, but man, maybe I'll try that out. You know, I could be on to something here. You know, let me know if you do, all right? And one thing I always recommend with your breakfast as well, it's real refreshing, great way to get your fiber, great way to get vitamins, is mix, you know, have some side of some type of fruit. Okay, you can go with some blackberries or you can go with some raspberries if you want. They have a lot of fiber. Plus, man, they just taste great. It's real refreshing too in the morning. It goes great with any kind of breakfast that you're having, or you know, you can have some yogurt and just put those in it. I love keeping blueberries in stock. I put blueberries in the freezer and have frozen blueberries. Man, they're so good, especially on a hot summer day. And you need just a little snack that's real refreshing. Go with some frozen berries. I'm telling you, plus you don't have to worry about them going bad. Now, if you don't want to get the fresh ones, I always recommend going with the frozen one. This is one of my favorites. This is a triple berry blend. Okay, I'm at Kroger. They have a triple berry blend. Walmart has one. H-E-B has one as well. Okay, so this one is hitting you with the blackberries, blueberries, and raspberries. It's got all three in there. Stays in your freezer. You don't have to worry about it going bad. You can have these anytime. These are so refreshing. And I've said it before in my videos. You get a sweet tooth, grab you some of these, measure out, you know, whatever a serving is, and throw a little of that honey on there. That'll knock out your sweet tooth. Plus you're getting your fiber. Plus you're getting a little snack. It's just a win-win all the way around, okay? So definitely check these out. Keep these in your freezer, okay? You will be using them. Add them to your yogurts. Add them on top of your pancakes. Add them, you know, your French toast, whatever you're making. Just add some fruit in there, okay? It's a great way to get fiber. Great, easy, tasty way to get fiber, okay? Okay, I got one more for you that I've been having whenever I'm just real, you know, I'm like, man, I'm in a hurry and I just want something. Or sometimes, like in the middle of the day, these really help out as well. What I want you to go look for is these keto sandwich thins, all right? I'm here at Kroger, they have them at Kroger, they also have them at Walmart. Or get the keto bagel thins, all right? What I like to do with these, just keep it simple, man. Put them in the toaster. One of these keto thins is coming in at 12 grams of protein, okay? So what I like to do is toast these up, and what I do is I drizzle some of that hot honey on there. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take one of these, toast it up, and throw a little of this hot honey on there. I promise you, you're gonna love it. It is so good, all right? It's a perfect snack for in the morning. If you're on the go, real quick, you don't want nothing too much. Oh, I don't like eating too much. I like to have this before the gym too, you know, because I don't like to go to the gym feeling too full. So I'll have this with this, and then I'll also side it with, I always talk about these ratio yogurts. Keep these in stock as well, 25 grams of protein. So yeah, you have one of the bagel thins, one of the sandwich thins, with one of these with a little fruit. I'm telling you, that's a breakfast right there. It's so easy, tastes great, nice and refreshing. You're getting your vitamins, you're getting your protein, which is super important, and you're not feeling full, okay? So keep these in rotation. I've been having them. They are super good. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you like to have for breakfast. Something that's quick, something that's easy, something that's super tasty, how you get your protein. Hang on real quick. We got this basket coming up, boy. This joker is loud. Right, you hear it? Man. Boy, I got a flat tire on that one. Let me know what you use, and I'll keep making videos on everything that I eat. Just remember, the thing is you have to stay consistent with it, okay? That's the big thing. You have to stay consistent. If you stay consistent, everything will work itself out, okay? So stay disciplined, stay consistent, and let's all keep getting better. I'll talk to you next time. Let's go.